Welcome to Strategic Thinking Step by Step. In the next few minutes, we will explore how to develop a strategic mindset, use proven frameworks, and align thinking with execution. Let us sharpen the skill that separates good managers from great leaders. We begin by understanding what strategic thinking really is and how it differs from day-to-day operational thinking. Understanding the difference between operational and strategic thinking is the first step toward developing a strategic mindset. Operational thinking keeps things running smoothly today, but rarely prepares the organization for tomorrow. Strategic thinking looks beyond the immediate to shape the organization's direction and competitive advantage. Now let us explore the frameworks and techniques that transform strategic thinking from an abstract concept into a practical skill. These frameworks and concepts are essential tools in every strategic thinker's toolkit. Environmental scanning helps us detect trends, threats, and opportunities before competitors do. Scenario planning prepares us for different futures rather than betting everything on a single prediction. Systems thinking reveals how changes in one area ripple through the entire organization in unexpected ways. Competitive strategy forces us to make clear choices about where to compete and how to win. Strategic thinking follows a process that connects environmental awareness to organizational action. We continuously scan the environment for signals of change, including market shifts, technology trends, and competitive moves. We analyze the signals to understand what they mean for our organization and where the greatest opportunities and threats lie. We develop multiple scenarios to test our assumptions and prepare for different possible futures. We make deliberate choices about where to focus resources and how to position the organization for success. We translate strategic choices into concrete plans, goals, and metrics that drive daily action. These decision-making frameworks help us evaluate strategic options with rigor and clarity. SWOT analysis provides a structured snapshot of where the organization stands relative to its environment. Porter's 5 forces reveals the competitive dynamics that determine profitability in any industry. PESTLE ensures we consider the full range of external forces that could disrupt or enable our strategy. Blue Ocean Strategy challenges us to look beyond existing competition and create entirely new market spaces. Even the best strategic thinking fails without disciplined execution alignment. Here is how we bridge the gap between vision and action. Cascading goals from strategy to individual objectives ensures everyone understands how their work contributes to the bigger picture. Regular feedback from execution informs strategic adjustments, keeping the organization responsive to reality. When everyone understands the why behind a strategy, they make better decisions in their daily work. Strategic thinking should not be limited to the C-suite. Developing it at every level creates a more agile organization. Let us recap the essential elements of developing and applying strategic thinking in any organization. The ability to shift from operational to strategic perspective is what distinguishes great leaders. These skills work together to give us a comprehensive view of the landscape and its implications. Frameworks prevent us from relying on gut instinct alone and ensure we consider all critical factors. Bridging the strategy execution gap is where most organizations struggle and where the greatest value lies. If this preview sharpened your strategic perspective, the full Udemy course provides deep dives into every framework, hands-on exercises, and real-world case studies. Enroll today and develop the strategic thinking skills that drive organizational success. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Until then, practice seeing the bigger picture in every decision you make.